right, so objective 2, now we're going to interpret the correlation. So again, a lot of you have been ignoring this word interpret in our class. Interpret is a huge word, right? That's where you take math and turn it into words. So caution, a correlation close to 1 or -1 doesn't necessarily mean the association is linear, right? To determine the form, you have to look at the picture. So for example here, this scatter plot has a correlation value of 0.93, but is the form linear? No, this is obviously a curve or a nonlinear form, right? So again, don't assume that just because they give you an R value, it is linear. Okay, so here's our example 2, faster and farther. The scatter plot shows a relationship between 40-yard dash times and long jump. The correlation is R equals -0.838. Interpret this value in context. So again, this word interpret is very important. So I'm going to say, first off, that this is a linear relationship. If I take my blue, uh, right, this is pretty linear. It's negative, and again, because of the -0.8, that's fairly strong. I mean, it could be on the borderline of moderate, but I think it's strong, right? I always say like 0.75 starts to become moderate, but zero point 0.8 and above, I'd be strong, but it's negative, right? So we're going to say that the linear relationship, so we're going to describe the form, the linear relationship. So that's the form between, and I'm going to describe my variable between, again, and I'm just reading the words, 40-yard dash time and long jump. And I'm going to say, and long jump distance. Right, and I should probably add that to the words. I will in a second. Long jump distance. So up here, I'm going to add the word distance. Distances. Maybe I forgot. So the linear relationship between 40-yard dash times and long jump distance is, and now this number comes into play, is strong and negative. And that is because R is close to -1. So notice I have the form, I have the strength, and I have the direction. And there's objective 2. Pretty quick and simple.